So once the oils arrive here, we will take them through our quality control team, basically take a phase of cleaning the barrel, making sure it's prepped and ready to go. We take it into a clean room, and at that point we will go through and make sure everything is clean and inside so that we can open the oil, open the barrel, and then take samples out of it. So that tube reaches down to the very bottom of the barrel, so we can pull the whole entire barrel's length of the oil out, make sure it is clear. So we take samples for organoleptic testing. We also take samples for retains to keep the oil and send out for a certificate of analysis. And we also pull one sample for owner retains so they can go through and smell and approve and make sure that the quality meets their standards. From that point, before that enters into production, then we'll take those samples that we pulled and send them out for testing to make sure that the oil, as it left our suppliers, arrived in the same condition so that it hasn't been contaminated or adulterated in any way. So we go through, and once we've done that long tube test that you saw, we put a QC approved and clear sticker on it. So that oil is deemed clear, not cloudy, doesn't require anything else. We can produce that. And it is set on the shelf. The warehouse setup crew can take that, put it into production, and we can use it. We don't have to do any further testing. We know that it's good to go. So there's a few different aspects of the machine. So the biggest pieces are the materials the machine are made of are the highest grade stainless steel we can get. And also every other component of the machine is nothing that can be eaten or worn away by the oils, so therefore it cannot contaminate the oil during the process. Another thing we do during the production phase is we take a sample at the beginning, the middle, and the end of the run. And then we send those samples out, get them tested, get our certificate of analysis back that says this is the same oil you started with, nothing changed throughout the process. Okay, so with every run that we do, we have some unique identifiers for our oil. On the bottom of each bottle, we have our lot code number with an expiration date if it is a food grade oil, which cinnamon bark is. The lot code helps us in multiple ways. It keeps track of the testing that we talked about earlier that we've done. It also can help us if we have any product issues later on. We can ask the IPC or distributor to read off that code, and then we can go back and look at the day it was run, when it was run, what the testing showed, verify that everything is okay with the quality of the oil. And it also just has other tracking purposes for us to keep with our good manufacturing practices.